For today's look, we're going in with an oldie but goodie. This came out last year. This is the iluvsarahii. I don't know. I cannot say her name. I'm going to take this shade right here. I think I said the names backwards one time. So I believe this is Poquito Mas. I'm going to pack the eyeshadow first and then blend out. This color alone is so pretty. So you can just leave this as is, throw on a pair of lashes, inner corner highlight, bada bing, bada boom, okay? I'm gonna go in with Wanderlust, and I'm just gonna apply that above Poquito Mas. I'm doing it to give it like a nice gradient effect, make it look really, really nice and blended. We're gonna go in with some Fix Plus. This is a way to kind of cheat cutting the crease with the concealer. You can just wet the brush, and we're gonna go in with this shade right here. I like to go like right under that bone. So I'm going to cut it, like if you can see, going right through there. Going in with the Perception palette from Colourpop, and that's the Makeup Shayla collaboration, and we're gonna go in with Played Out. You can use any brown. This is just what I'm using, and I'm gonna place this on the outer corner. What I've learned, or what I noticed, is that the eyeshadow, the shimmer eyeshadow, starts to move up. And oh my gosh, I hate that. So I don't like to blend shimmery eyeshadows like that when I use it on the lid. I will take a brush and I will pat over that line if I'm trying to soften it, or go back in with that same brush I applied the eyeshadow with, and along the edges just go back and forth over that line. That, to me, that is the best way to blend out shimmery eyeshadows. But it also depends on what type of look you're going for too. But going back in with that brush I laid that brown down with. Yes, come through, eyes. I am going to do a wing line. I did one on this eye. I didn't make it really, really big. Just like a cute little baby wing. So I'm gonna go in with this Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. These are the eyes. I'm gonna put on my lashes really quickly, and I'll be right back. This whole time I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, unfortunately. Luckily, you guys didn't miss much. The only thing that I did was apply the Tatcha. You can't really see it because of the brights, but I went in with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. This is actually my first time using it, and it feels nice on the skin. It doesn't really feel like I have anything, so I don't know how good it works as a primer, but we're just going to use it today. Face is pretty much done, y'all. We are almost at the end of this tutorial. We just need to finish up these eyes and do the lips. Okay, now.
Hey everyone.
You gotta look at the camera. You can't look at the thing.
Hey everyone. Today I'm in TT video, so I'm gonna be like helping her today.
What you gonna help me with, bro? I'm done pretty much.
I'm gonna help you with everything.
Like what?
Like what you tell me to do.
You can't do nothing. TT got this handled. It's about time for you to go to bed, ain't it? Alright, right. Tell the people bye.
Bye.
You see them later.
I'll see you later.
Alright, bro. For inner corner highlight, we're going in with the same thing that I used as a highlight on these cheekbones. We're going in with Mirame from Dose of Colors. This is pretty. This is almost like a Dose of Color video, except for I don't have the foundation. I tried the foundation, but the shade that I had did not work. I should have tried like 130 or 134. 131 did not work. 132 and 133 was like no. So I feel like the inner corner is a tad bit too gold for this look. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Linen. Is this color right here. It looks gold in the pan. It's like a champagne color. So I applied mascara to my lower lashes, and now it's time for the lips. I'm gonna give you guys not one but two lip options, something a little bit more safe, you know, pinky nude. For lips, I'm gonna go in with Chestnut by MAC. You can go in with any brown shade. We're gonna go in with Dose of Color, part of the same collection, the iluvsarahii. I'm gonna go in with Nude Chica. Now this one, I cannot apply this straight on. I gotta dab it and blend it because the shade is too big with it. So just like a couple of dots, like that's enough. I think that might even be too much. And just blend it with your finger. Here are the lips. Now I'm gonna add. You could leave the lips like this if you... No, you can't. I'm sorry. No, you can't. You can if you want to. I'm going to add a gloss on top. This one is from NYX. It's their Butter Gloss in a color Praline. We're just going to put that on top, and it's going to balance it out so nicely. Alright, you guys. So this is the first lip. What do you guys think? We're gonna go in with Hennyways from the Ellarie collection with Colourpop. This look is fall, you guys. Yes, stepping into fall. Like what? Like, ooh, who is she? She is cute. Oh my gosh, this look. I definitely think I like this lip better. I mean, the other lip is pretty too, but this look is, she looks good. Alright, you guys, so this is it for the video. If you stuck around to the very end, then I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to check out some of my previous videos. I will list them on the screen, of course. And until next time, you guys, bye. Before I go, don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button before you leave.